our ally, and Bush is going to kill our president. Break it down now. Stop.
Who's gonna kill me? Thank you. That was our lovely and talented.
Oh, Venezuela.
This is Antonio Banderas.
Venezuela, country song.